Good morning everyone, so let's go for a room tour with me today. Dozo. So first, I will put on the door locker. In every Japanese household, we do not use the outside shoes in the room, so the shoes locker is placed near the door. And I will change to my indoor slipper now. So near our door on the left, we have our kitchen, and then we have our living room. Beside the living room, we have the bedroom. Adjacent to our bedroom, we have our bathroom and the toilet. Here you could see the shower and the washing place. So I am going to explain our place one by one. So this is the praying place. We pray every morning. The idols were given to us by mother-in-law from Manipur. So the best place in our house is the living room. Let's go to see what is inside. Yeah, you can see the table. This is our workplace as well as the place where we eat. We also keep our snacks to eat when we are working. We have some cake which was given to us by our friend yesterday. So here you could find some of the pencils, and you also could see the medicine used by my husband. And here is the candies. We can eat it when we are feeling sleepy. So inside this box, what do you think it is? I keep the tissues inside the box. Isn't it cute? And today is a bit sunny, so I decided to wash our blanket and keep it outside. Here in our room, we got plenty of sunshine and we like this place. Oh, it's time to water my plant. No. This is cactus. I cannot water it often. I like to keep a lot of plants inside the room. Just watering a little by little like this. And then this is my dome. Look at this. Dun dun. Inside the drawer, you could find a lot of snacks that I bought from Vietnam and Manipur. And this is my favorite coffee from Vietnam. You have seen this coffee in my another video before, right? Let me introduce to you our piggy banks. So we have different kinds of the small coin and the big coins. This one is almost full. After this get full, I will show it to you how much money I could save from the piggy bank in the next video. So you also can see my accessories for my hair and other stuff. Oh, so we also have some candy here. I almost forget this. And yeah, this is our Japanese books that we use it for studying Japanese. Next to the fridge, you can find a schedule for throwing out the garbage. So we have a strict schedule to throw out the different types of garbage. Today, the garbage collection will not be there, but tomorrow we will be able to throw the burnable garbage. We also have to sort out the garbage in different types, and it's very convenient for us to have this kind of schedule. But sometimes we forget, and then we have to wait for a long time to throw the garbage. I really like this curtain when I first saw it at the shop. I thought that was 2 bees, but it's only 1 piece. Anyway, I like it. So now is the kitchen. Let's go. In Japan, people try to make use of all the space available. Here you could see the compartment or the closet available for storing our kitchen items. So most of the things here are from Vietnam. I like to cook a lot of Vietnamese food, that's why. On top of this closet, we store the things that we not use frequently. On the bottom closet compartment, we store our kitchen utensils. We also store our foodware and aluminum foil on this small compartment. Oh, here is our dishes and glasses that we use. And next to it, we store our condiments. So the right side is used by my husband, and he stored the spices from Manipur. And on the left side, the condiments and sauce from Vietnam. The closet compartment is very small, and we have a lot of things. That's why my husband prepared a wall hanging rack to put several kitchen utensils, and this is very convenient. And here you can also see another rack full of things. Oh, and here we also hang some of the things that cannot fit it on the closet. This is our kitchen sink that has both cold and hot water. Usually in many other apartments, they have the kitchen hood, but in our place we don't have it. So that's why they have their exhaust fan to remove the smoke when we are cooking. Here is the controller for the water temperature. In this corner, we store the rice cooker, microwave, air fryer, and the water boiler, and some more onion. I am not sure if you would like to see what is inside our fridge, but I'm going to show some of the things that are available inside our fridge now. We are only 2 people living, but I like the big fridge so that we don't have to buy the things very often. We can store a lot of things inside. I really like this compartment as it keeps the vegetable very fresh. The next compartment is the freezer. We store the ice cream and also store some frozen meat and vegetable. And this is our bedroom. Come in. Ta-da! So for our bedroom floor is the tatami. This is our traditional Japanese flooring type. The special thing about tatami is that this is cool in the summer and warm in the winter. That's why many Japanese prefer tatami flooring. In this corner cabinet, we store our cosmetic items. The first cabin is for my husband. You can see his body spray and cream. The next cabinet is mine, and I also store my cosmetic items here. This is our clothes. We have got a very big closet here, so yeah, I like it very much. And this is our bed. In our room, we have a big glass window that allows us to have a lot of sunlight and fresh air. It has been told that if you live in the first floor, you could use the big window to escape any disaster like an earthquake. Outside our room, we have got a nice kitchen garden. This is a big rare in Japan to have the kitchen garden, as many Japanese apartments are small and not so much space is available. My husband really liked this space, and he spent most of his time here in his free time. We have started planting some papaya, sweet potato, cabbage, cucumbers, chilies, lettuce, and some other vegetables. I hope we could get some good harvest. So in our apartment room, we have big sliding doors that makes our room look bigger. Next, I will just show you a little bit about our toilet. A unique feature of our toilet is that we have a sink fitted under a floor tank. This conserves the water for washing our hands, and that water will be used for the flushing in the next year. Many Japanese toilets are fitted with many accessories. We have the bidet that sprays the water, toilet seat warmer, and we also can change the temperature of the water spray. In some other toilets, there are also music and perfume spray to remove the bad odor. Japanese technology is awesome. We can also fit some cleaning reagent with a good odor. So for our toilet, we use mint flavor. This is our washing area. Here we have our mouth washing sink and washing machine. We try to make use of the small space available. You can see we store our cleaning accessory in the rack. Oh, I will show you another interesting thing in Japan. Here you can see a hand cleanser. This is so amazing and so cute. Last area is the shower area. We have the shower place, bathtub. Sometimes using the bath bomb, we take the bath inside. It's really refreshing. Inside the bathroom, we also have the water temperature regulator. As you can see from the tour, Japanese apartments are rather small, but they do have many things convenient and helpful. Hope you come to know how an apartment in Japan looks like. So the room tour today is over. If you want to know anything about life in Japan, let me know. I will try to answer it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.